这个时候油炸量的大小啊，包括炸的形态啊，也要注意。
Tang Xiaoyu and his team are working on a national key research and development program.
对于转炉来说，在全国国内是一个全新的生产工艺。现在我们已经取得了初步的成果，还需要继续努力，不断地进行优化。
This new process has no precedence in China, and it subverts the traditional operating points of steelmaking in the converter. Therefore, Tang Xiaoyu, as a CPC member, took the heavy burden and repeatedly explored and researched in practice, leading his team to make breakthroughs gradually.
我都已经记不清有多少回是连续48个小时不睡觉了。一旦你攻关成功的时候，那你非常的兴奋，什么都没有这种满足感。
At present, some of the indicators of this new process are advanced around the world, which can not only save tens of millions yuan a year, but also lay a solid foundation for the next step of building an intelligent steelmaking demonstration line and high value-added product development. Since his graduation from university in 2008, Tang Xiaoyu has firmly seized the new opportunity of transforming and upgrading China's steel industry and has developed more than 10 innovations such as the 260-ton converter slag smelting method. In the 12th Mock Steelmaking Challenge World Finals in 2018, Tang Xiaoyu stood out from more than 1,500 competitors and won the championship of the professional group.
在这个新时代，作为一名党代表，是要引领和带动身边的人不断创新突破，扛起钢铁强国的重任。